Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 224. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 covering here, so 4, 9, 1 here, so 4, 9. That means that our 1 for that row has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 8, 9. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing a 3. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing an 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.